Okay, it's dark, but I wanted to do an update on the Thunder Torque inserts from DK Customs on my Sportster 72. I think I found the perfect combination between sound and performance. I've got the Vance & Hine long shots or straight shots and no baffles, which sounded great, but had some tuning issues. So the Thunder Torque inserts I put in, and at first I faced them completely, almost blocking the exhaust, and after some tuning I was twisting them, and now they're both really at about halfway, and I found that to be the best combo of sound, which they sound great, and almost no fueling issues. I mean, I'd have to get picky or see it on a dyno. At around 2,000, if you hunt for it, you can get a tiny hiccup, but I mean, it's really not noticeable, and it sounds great. So let me start it up and I'll do a walk around.